माइक्रोभाइटा साइंस उपरे आगु तो आमे आलोचना करथिला जे माइक्रोभाइटा साइंस कौन आउ माइक्रोभाइटा साइंस ए कोविड-19 उपरे केमिति साहाय्य करिवो ताहेले आज आमे द्वितीय पर्याय आलोचना करिबा जे ए रोग जो हेउछि एहा ट्रीटमेंट जदि संभव हेले प्रथम पर्याय कौन पदक्षेप निया जाय पारिबो।
कोविड-19 में जो भाइरस कोरोना भाइरस ये तो गोटे कॉमन वायरल थ्योरी ना गोटे भाइरस दैट इज इनर्ट इन द स्पेस when it comes in contact with a living cell animal cell or plant cell then that becomes functional. Plant virus plant cell re animal virus animal cell re. This corona is an animal virus ताने प्लांट भाइरस ना ये यार स्ट्रक्चर रे प्लांट रो संग रिलेशन बहुत कम है किंतु जेहेतु सब भाइरस यार बर्न है ये जन कंटाक्ट आसला परे कंटाक्ट टू कंटाक्ट हे से स्प्रेड करि पारिबो किंतु कोरोना भाइरस एमती किछि गुटे नुहे दैट कैनॉट बी क्योर्ड और द भाइरस कैनॉट बी ड्रिवन आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. Normally viruses they are not killed, they are only driven out or metamorphosed. ताकू नॉर्मल भाषा रे डेथ बोले कहा जाए किंतु साइंटिफिक भाषा रे थरा सारा सेमती नुहे. Anyway, corona can be killed. Let us say in the common language, corona can be killed by our positive microbiota. It can be killed. Microbiota theory is very simple. Negative microbiota cause disease, may be virus or may be bacteria or anything, and that virus or that disease can be cured by positive application of positive microbiota. We have given trials in cancer and in the HIV, all the things that I have already told you. We have given trials. Those HIV or cancer virus, they are more stronger than this coronavirus. There was a theory why cancer cells are not killed by chemotherapy or radiotherapy. JNU Professor Uttam Pati had given this theory. And I just challenged, I didn't challenge him, I told him that nothing is impossible. We can kill your cancer virus in the laboratory. Then we gave a trial in the laboratory there in JNU and we become successful. Then after that, of course, we came back after JNU after treating for some days. Trying the experiment due to our personal problem we came back. So it was 31% death of the cancer cells and microbiota can kill and can stop the growth of the virus. 8 times both things can be done and they are doing this thing. Then we went to that NARI of Nagpur. There we also tried this thing. There we got a success of 70% cancer cell death in the laboratory experiments. Before that also I started experimenting in this thing in our Burla Medical College laboratory by treating the blood cancer patient and we have cured them. So now also I am treating this cancer patient who are coming to me, I treat them. I have not given any advertisement nowhere, but from person to person when they know, they come to me, I treat them. Nagpur people from Jain community, they come in good numbers and we also get a good result. Because the precondition of corona treatment in this microbiota treatment, one must be 100% sati. That means must not take tamasic food like onion, garlic, meat, fish, egg, everything. Second part, one has to maintain a spiritual environment by doing kirtan. This kirtan is Bhavanam Kevalam Kirtan. Because why this Bhavanam Kevalam Kirtan? Through this kirtan, we are able to develop the science. I developed this science through this kirtan only. This kirtan has a potentiality this kirtan, particular kirtan, because it is a recent kirtan, it is more powerful, and through this thing, I gave a trial to harness microvita from space. Microvita, they are space dwellers, and they originate from the cosmic mind. That's why sometimes in past science they are termed as Devjoni also. But present science, Devjoni word is deleted, not deleted, rather amended. We say them the microvita. Micros means the smallest, vital energy. This indivisible, this vital energy, cosmic vital energy, is known as microvitum in singular. Microvita is a plural term. This science we have developed since 1988, and I am doing this research since then, and I have treated a good number of patients. This fundamental theory of the science is based upon three things. The scientist, the sheer scientist, sheer philosopher, P.R. Sarkar, or alias Anand Murthy, who gave the science, he told that microvita, that the basic science, the root cause of the creation, and the root cause of the creation of life. Negative microvita cause disease, positive microvita cure disease. Out of three things, immediately I picked up this third part. Negative microvita cause disease, positive microvita cure disease. Side by side, we are also doing some work on this, the other parts. But these are fundamental part, and we have become successful in doing that thing. Positive microvita can cure any disease created by negative microvita. This depends upon, curing depends upon the efficiency of the patient, not the treating person. Those are treated, that depends upon them. If they are very, very careful and adhere to the principles of this treatment, they will be cured. And to my knowledge, this corona can be cured. Corona disease can be cured maximum within 15 days. It is a small disease in light of microvita science. So this is our project. We are doing. Anybody who comes there, who comes to us, we treat them only. I have not treated any corona patient because nobody has come to me. But preconditions are all these things. Anybody can take the help of the science. Government machinery can also take the help of the science. This is a fundamental science, physico-psycho-spiritual science. It is a God-gift science. It is not human-gift science. It is a God-gift science. One can go through this website of microvita, microvita.com. Bas, one can go through this site from the internet. One can read. First topic one can cover within half an hour, and he can know many things of this thing.